Welcome to English online class, children. Today we are going to see the poem part, poem 2. Okay. The topic of the poem is treasure trove. Treasure trove. Treasure trove means a valuable things. A valuable things that we found under the soil. Okay. So it is nothing but of the treasure trove. Today we are going to see about the same topic, the poem. See the pictures, children. Let us learn the poem. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Okay. We are happy or sad. Sometimes we are happy, sometimes we are sad. Isn't it? All the time or same situations? No. Sometimes we feel very happy. We enjoy with our friends and family. Sometimes we feel alone. That time we are very sad. Isn't it? Okay. It is a big treasure for us. We can relax ourselves. It is in a happy mood or in a sad mood. We have to read. Okay, next, children? Learn about space, land on Mars. We have to learn about the space. Space means out of the earth. Out of the earth. We can see different type of planets. Stars, isn't it? So it is out of the earth, so it is the space. So we can have the Mars where in the space only, isn't it? So it is a one type of a planet. Mars is a one type of a planet, so we can learn space by landing on the Mars. Okay, next line. Picture an auto race, zoom with cars. Okay, so we can see different type of vehicles around us, isn't it? So we can see the auto race and we can see the different type of cars also. Next, a glance at history, go back in time. What is mean by history? History means is story. We can split the words is story. So we can see the stories of the olden days, stories of the kings and kingdoms, isn't it? Different types of countries all comes under the history. So we can see, we can have the glance. Glance means look at once. Okay, so we can see the glance of history, go back in time. So it is a olden days periods. We can see different types of wars and different stories, king stories and all we can hear. No, so it is back in time. To discover a mystery, solve a crime. Mystery means what? So mystery means it is an unknown thing. We cannot find anything in it. So we want to solve the mystery and solve a crime also. Crime means what we can say, crime story, thrilling story, isn't it? So we want to find something in reading, find something in books. Okay. So that one we say here, we see here, to discover a mystery, solve a crime. So we want to find the mystery means we want to solve the crime. Okay, so we want to solve all the things what happened in that mystery. Okay. Read about the lost bicycle, where can it be? So suppose we lost anything means we want to find the things. Here they gave the example bicycle. So the boy is thinking about his bicycle lost. So if anything we lost means we want to find where it lost. Okay. Next, visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. Already we learned about the word mermaid, isn't it? It is a mythological creature, isn't it? Where we can see under the sea. Okay, so half part of the body looks like a woman and remaining part looks like a fish tail, isn't it? So it is a mermaid. So where we can see the mermaid? We can see the mermaid under the sea. Next line. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. So whenever we are happy, we want to read something, some novel stories. Okay, and when we are sad, in that time also we will read the books, means we can relax ourselves. Okay, children, so this is the treasure trove. What we learn means we want to read the books. We want to learn something by reading the books. That only poet saying here to us. Okay, now I will read the poem once again. You all listen, children. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Learn about space, land on Mars. Picture an auto race, zoom with cars, a glance at history, go back in time. To discover a mystery, solve a crime, read about the lost bicycle, where can it be? Visit a lovely mermaid under the sea. Read when you are happy, read when you are sad. Okay, children, we will go to the next page, children. Next page we are going to see here glossary. See the first one, space. Space means beyond the earth, apart from the earth. Here we are going apart from the earth, where? Yes, Mars. Okay, second one, zoom. Zoom means Travel quickly. Look at something, what we can say. We can't see anything clearly means what we will do in our mobile also. We will zoom and see. Isn't it? While taking the photos also in camera, we will zoom. So it is a zoom. Next, glance means looking something, glance. If we preparing for exam means at end of the time, what we will do? We will look at the glance. Isn't it? Discover means find. Find means what? We have to find something. Okay. Mystery. Mystery means strange or unknown thing. It is a new thing we can't see in before. Mermaid means an imaginary creature. It is an imaginary creature. Okay, children. Glossary: space, beyond earth, zoom, travel quickly, glance, look, discover, find, mystery, strange or unknown thing, mermaid, and imaginary creature. Okay, children, we will move to the next page. Next page, answer the following questions. See, listen. I will send you the answers later. Just we recall it. What would we do when we are happy or sad? We are happy or sad, we have to read the books, children. When we land on Mars, when we find the space, we have to find the space, we land on Mars. Why do we discover a mystery? Because to solve the crime, we want to discover a mystery. Where did we visit a mermaid? We can visit the mermaid under the sea. Why should we read? Because to relax our mind, we should read. Okay, we have to read the books to relax our mind. Okay, to relax ourselves. Okay. We will move to next page, children. Pick out the rhyming words from the poem and write. See here, rhyming words means same sound of words. We have to select the same sound of words in the poem. Okay. Mars, we can see the poem Mars, the same word we have, cars, same sound of words. Okay. Next, time and crime, the same sound of words, rhyming words for time is crime. And B, C, B, C. It is the rhyming words we found in the poem. Okay. You have to write also, children. Okay, children. Thank you, children. Take care. Bye.